Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Adli. I will be presenting about the evolution of virtual training, implications for talent development in the post-pandemic period. To start off our presentation is by identifying main issues and challenges. Companies must offer ongoing up-to-date training to staff in order to keep them equipped to handle the COVID-19 epidemic and the rapid evolution of technology. For example, the need for continuous training. The rapid evolution of technology and the impact of COVID-19 pandemic have necessitated continuous training to keep employees' skills relevant. The pandemic-induced shift to virtual training platforms presents difficulties in guaranteeing the efficacy and participation of training initiatives. To ensure effective delivery, businesses need to choose user-friendly and captivating virtual training systems carefully. The shift to virtual training also means that the pandemic has forced companies to adapt virtual training platforms, which presents challenges in terms of engagement and effectiveness. Now that we have identified the issues and challenges, we are going into the solution to overcome issues and challenges. The first solution that I acquired from reading the article and doing research are enhancing the infrastructure of information technology. Ensure that a robust IT support structure is in place to facilitate seamless virtual training sessions. This includes the deployment of state-of-the-art information and communication technology solutions to guarantee the success of training and development programs. High-speed internet, reliable hardware, secure network systems, and comprehensive IT support services are essential components of this infrastructure. Continuous monitoring and maintenance of IT systems should be prioritized to prevent disruptions during training sessions. Investing in scalable cloud-based solutions can also provide flexibility, support for growing a number of users. The second solution to our problem that I have acquired is selecting the right platform. Choosing engaging, easy-to-use virtual training programs that have proven effective throughout the pandemic, such as Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet. When selecting the ideal platform, it is important to consider the specific needs and characteristics of the organization, including the size of the team, the complexity of the training content, and the level of the organization. Evaluate platforms based on their features, user interface, integration capabilities with other tools, security measures, and customer support. Pilot testing different platforms can provide valuable insight into their effectiveness and suitability for the organization's training needs. The third solution are educating facilitators. We educate facilitators on successful ways to deliver content in a virtual environment. Provide them with training on how to use virtual training platforms effectively, including features like screen sharing, virtual whiteboards, breakout rooms, and interactive polls. Encourage facilitators to continue their professional growth by attending workshops, webinars, and courses that focus on virtual teaching techniques and new technologies. Regular feedback and evaluation can help facilitators refine their skills and adapt to rapidly evolving virtual training technologies. Establish a support network for facilitators where they can share best practices and resources. The last solution that I have is engaging techniques. Offer interactive elements like polls, quizzes, and breakout rooms to increase engagement during virtual training sessions. Interactive polls can be used to gauge participants' understanding and opinions in real time, while quizzes can reinforce learning and provide instant feedback. Breakout rooms enable smaller group discussions, fostering collaboration and deeper understanding of the material. Additionally, incorporating multimedia elements such as videos, animations, and gamifications can make the training more dynamic and engaging. Encourage active participation by asking open-ended questions and facilitating discussions. Using a variety of teaching methods can cater to different learning styles and keep participants motivated. We have reached the conclusion of this article. The article emphasizes how important virtual training programs are to keeping staff members engaged and growing during the COVID-19 pandemic. Rapid technological adoption has become imperative, necessitating that businesses include IT methods that work into their training initiatives. The results show that the performance of virtual training programs is greatly influenced by the choice of user-friendly virtual training platforms, strong IT support, and extensive online library resources. The adoption of virtual training systems such as Google Classroom, Edmodo, Zoom, and MS Teams has shown to be advantageous in terms of improving training's effectiveness, usefulness, and safety during the epidemic. But the quality of the IT support of the employees receive and the facilitators' abilities to determine how effective these platforms are. The benefits of virtual training extend beyond the actual training sessions, thanks in large part to the availability of current online resources that facilitate flipped training methods. Notwithstanding the restrictions imposed by the study's singular public institution emphasized, organizational development experts will find great value in the results. Future studies should incorporate a wider spectrum of public and private entities in an effort to generalize these findings. Organizational development in the post-pandemic era will ultimately depend on how virtual training programs and IT integration continue to evolve.